If you clicked on this video, chances are you're feeling something many began to feel 2 years ago, like the professional world moved on without you. Maybe you got laid off and the job descriptions now read like a foreign language. Maybe you're watching 28-year-olds get promoted while you're wondering if your 15 years of experience even matters anymore. I'm Dr. Mebeth. I've helped thousands of students and professionals transform their lives through education and training. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to transform your career in the age of AI. No fluff, no false promises, just a practical roadmap that works. Stick to the end and I'll tell you about a free scorecard and roadmap to help get you on your way. Let's start with the truth you already know, but might be afraid to say out loud. The rules changed. The World Economic Forum just reported that 70% of job skills will change by 2030. That's not someday, that's in 5 years. And here's what the headlines don't tell you. While 92 million jobs will be displaced, 170 million new jobs are being created. The question isn't whether you'll have a future in this economy. The question is, will you be positioned to claim your piece of it? I meet professionals every week who tell me, I'm too old to start over. But you're not starting over. You're upgrading. And your experience, it's not outdated, it's irreplaceable. But only if you know how to position it. The first thing that needs a change isn't your resume or your LinkedIn profile. It's your relationship with change itself. I want you to stop thinking about AI as your replacement and start thinking about it as your research assistant, your content creator, your 24/7 productivity partner. The professionals who are thriving right now, they're not the ones who know the most about AI. They're the ones who know how to use AI to do what they were already great at, just faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Think about it. Would you rather compete with a 25-year-old who knows AI but has no industry wisdom? Or partner with AI while bringing 15 years of battle-tested judgment to the table? That's not even a fair fight. You win every time. Now, here's your 90-day transformation plan. I call it the RISE method. Recognize, integrate, showcase, and expand. From days 1 to 30, recognize your transferable value. In week 1, you'll take inventory, list top 10 professional accomplishments from the past 5 years. For each one, write down the problem you solved, the process you used, and the result you achieved. This is your expertise foundation. In week 2, I want you to research your target roles, but not the way you used to. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to analyze job descriptions. Ask it, what skills from my background will be most valuable for this role? You'll be surprised how many connections you find. In week 3, I want you to identify your bridge skills, the 2 to 3 modern tools or processes that would make your expertise irresistible. Maybe it's learning to use AI for data analysis, or mastering a project management platform, or understanding digital marketing metrics. In week 4, I want you to create your value translation document. This is a one-pager that connects your traditional experience to modern business outcomes. This becomes your North Star for everything else. In days 31 to 60, I want you to integrate new capabilities. This is where the magic happens. You're not learning to become someone else, you're learning to become a supercharged version of yourself. Weeks 5 and 6, master one AI tool completely. I recommend starting with ChatGPT or Claude for work optimization. Spend about 30 minutes daily learning the right prompts that enhance your existing workflow. Week 7 and 8, choose one modern platform relevant to your field and become proficient. This might be Tableau for data visualization, Canva for presentations, or HubSpot for customer relationship management. The key is depth, not breadth. Days 60 through 90, showcase and expand. Week 9 and 10, I want you to document your transformation. Create before and after examples of your work. Create a LinkedIn article about your learning journey. Share one insight per week that demonstrates your evolved thinking. During weeks 11 and 12, I want you to network strategically. Reach out to 5 people per week who are successfully navigating the changes you're learning. Don't ask for jobs. Ask for insights. Most people love sharing their success stories. Week 13. Launch your soft comeback. Apply to 3 roles. Start 2 conversations about consulting opportunities, or propose a new initiative at your current job that showcases your integrated skill set. Now, here's what separates people who actually do this from people who just think about doing it. First, start before you feel ready. Your confidence will come from competence, not the other way around. Second, track your progress weekly. At the end, I'll tell you about a simple scorecard you can get for free to plan and track your progress. In it, you'll ask questions like, are you learning, connecting, and creating something new each week? If yes, you're on track. Third, find your support system. This journey is hard enough without doing it alone. Join online communities, find an accountability partner, or work with a coach who understands this transition. Most importantly, give yourself permission to be a beginner again. You're not starting over, you're starting up. 6 months from now, you can either be in exactly the same place wondering what happened to your career, or you can be the person who not only survived this transition, but used it to build the most fulfilling and financially rewarding phase of your professional life. The choice is yours, but the time is now. Your experience matters, your perspective is valuable, and your future is absolutely worth fighting for. If this resonated with you, I put together a free 90-day planning template that breaks down everything I just shared into weekly action steps. The link is in the description below. Download it, use it, and 6 months from now, come back and tell me how it changed your career. You've got this. I believe in you. Now, go make it happen.